Hi guys, welcome back to A Place Together. This week I'm going to bring you some changes to the bookshelf that we had made a couple years ago. There was things we never finished that we're going to finish this weekend. I'm going to give you updates on the upstairs, how that's going. A very entertaining grocery haul, at least it was for me. It was a surprise to us all. So I hope you like that. And then I also wanted to let y'all know that I have been listening to an Audible called Book Lovers, the first one. Ended up really good. And so I got another one and listened to it in 2 days. And it was called, my fridge is making ice, guys. So annoying, I swear. Oh, what's it? I just said it. Oh, it's called Funny Story. And it's funny. It really is a funny story, and it's a really good story. But if you like comedy, lighthearted things, you will like this, but it still has a lot of feeling behind it. Those are the two things I have listened to lately, and I will link them so you can see them. It is gloomy outside again today. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so you know, this kind of weather, it's just hard to know what you're going to be able to do and what you're not. So for now, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and leave a comment, like, subscribe. It'd be great. Hello guys, lighting's terrible, but I just got home from work and I thought I would share with y'all a grocery haul from a Walmart delivery ambient purchase that happens from time to time. So let's see what I bought. Apparently I ordered this last night in my sleep. Almond milk. BioLife original cream cheese alternative. Because I have to stop drinking dairy and eating dairy, guarantee you. Some more almond milk. Oh, more cream cheese. I guess I really wanted some cream cheese last night, guys. There's the first one. No sugar added, outshine. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. I'm gonna put that in the freezer. Some jumbo shrimp. That's a big bag of jumbo shrimp. What is this? Extreme Wellness gluten-free tortillas. That's gonna come in handy. I'm gonna need that. I can't have gluten anymore. Jovial, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan macaroni. Gluten-free pancake mix. Don't know. I don't know. Baking flour, 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour. Probably find a use for that eventually, but some salsa. Okay, let's see what I was planning on making. Here's some Mexican street corn with white rice. Apparently I was getting anything that said gluten-free last night. What is this? So it's gluten-free. I was really concerned about my sweet tooth. There's a brownie mix, guys. This is so funny. For some reason, I got not one, but 2 things of minced garlic. I don't buy this ever. Steak fajitas. You can have steak. Let's see what we got here. Baby spinach. Cheese. I'm seeing a theme here of like Mexican food and sweets. Here's more steak fajitas. Well, that's different than that. Okay, got this one too. So I guess I was really wanting some steak fajitas because I got 2 different bags. I got some plant-based shredded cheese. I guess I didn't know which one to buy, so I bought all of them. Eggs are good. Eggs are good. I always use eggs. I'm a big egg eater. Chicken thighs. Okay, that's normal. Italian sausage. Italian sausage meat. Coconut milk. Coconut cream. Variety. Coconut aminos, which I do use, so I guess when I looked at one coconut thing, I looked at them all and got them all. Non-dairy Alfredo sauce. Never had it. Don't. Primal Kitchen though is usually pretty good. So hopefully I will like that and I'll be able to eat it because, is it dairy free? No, it says no dairy. That's not it. Come some more. Tuna, very handy. I like tuna. Italian seasoning and thyme. Italian seasoning. I can see one meal right now that I bet I was doing some sort of potato sausage soup because that's usually when I buy spinach is for soup. So, and then that makes sense with the thyme and stuff. So, no. Chicken broth. I don't know, but I got it. Guess I needed that. Last bag, guys. Last bag. What is it? What is it? We can handle ground beef. Got 3 of them. Thank you guys for joining me on this episode of Ambient Shops. Hope y'all have enjoyed this as much as I have because that was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Today we need to finish the bookshelf, which we haven't done in months. We still have to do the trim here and do a quarter round here, fix this one. And then these are coming apart, so we're going to screw those back together. And I have yet to make the hole for the outlet for this to be plugged in down here. So I need to do that, and then all these wires can go through there too. But that's what we're going to do today, and fix this top. We never finished the trim, so we're going to finish this. So here's what it looks like right now. I got this on for the first time in a year and a half. I love it. I love the way it looks, but we got this cord coming all the way down. This is where the TV is going to go. We just haven't gotten all the way through yet. But it goes all the way down, and then it's going to run into this. It's going to look a lot neater once we get it all done, but this is what it's going to look like. Done. Put the shelves together tight. Hid all the cords except for this one. We're having an issue with getting it through the side, but we're going to work on that. Have my light on, and the trim I've done it up top is done. So we did it finally. It's done. I have this blind up now. Looks really, really good. It's hard to see with that angle in video, but it looks so good. Now I got up the blind in this one. Silly me. I just discovered this window is far different size than this window. I didn't even think to look like it's hilarious, but this one looks great. This one fits. I'm going to have to get a whole other one for that. I don't know. So I guess this one's going downstairs. I've got to take out what I've screwed up there. So. Is it? It's the cutest. It's from Anthropology. But it is like actually pretty heavy, but isn't he so cute? Look. Love him. So he goes up next. This is what it looks like.